Did you upload many cycling videos but get only few views? Actually, we just need to make some easy edits to get big differences. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to design and edit awesome cycling videos. If you're interested in this, keep watching. We can use whatever footage we like, but to get the best result, we want to have videos from different shooting angles. For example, the footage shot from the home first-person view, recorded by the cycling buddy, we set up on the side of the road. This can help tell a much better cycling story. Now we can open up VideoProc Vlogger and start our edit. In my case, I want to add in my cycling video to the music. So firstly, let's add a background music to audio track. Start our video with a long shot or a still object can bring us an amazing outcome. So here, let's set aside a few seconds for making an intro. We can add a close-up of the mountain bike or the bike edges over here. Add the footage to video track, and then apply the fade transition at the end. After that, let's find a scenery shot. Drag it onto video track. Here we want to create a cinematic black bar open effect. To get there, find the motion button on the toolbar to enter motion editor. Find vertical open and click on it. VideoProc Vlogger now generates 2 keyframes automatically. We can change the position of the keyframes based on our need. Then we hit Apply to return to the main interface. Now we can start editing the content of our cycling video. As I mentioned before, I add a split screen effect. Drag the footage onto overlay track, adjust its size. Find the proper segment and separate from the rest with the Ripple Edit tool. Click on Crop. Drag the cropping box on the left window to remain only in the wanted range. Then we hit Apply. After getting back to the main interface, let's double-click the footage on the preview window. Drag it to the proper position. Next, we adjust the position of this clip on the timeline to make it appear along with the music beat. I then add a slow-mo video and a fade transition for the end of this vlog. Surely, you can also unleash your creativity to tell a storytelling that can stand out. Last, we can add some visual and audio elements to spice up the video. To take the intro section as an example, we can add the text with fade effect. Or add it with a sound effect. In my case, I added the sound effect of the bike chain and the human breath. Take a look at the final edit. Now you've reached the end of today's tutorial about how to edit cycling video with VideoProc Vlogger. If you want to learn more useful video editing tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye.